join the fun, it's animal rhyme. We've got our friends and sunny time. Let's clap our paws.
Waddle, waddle, the ducks march by, quacking and splashing under the sky. Little ducklings follow their mom, happy and cheerful, singing a song. Woof, woof! The puppies bark, chasing their tails in the sunny park, jumping and hopping, running around, puppy paws making a happy sound. Ribbit, ribbit, the frogs all leap, splashing in ponds, never asleep. Green and small they hop with glee, croaking a tune by the big oak tree. Waddle, woof, and ribbit too, animals playing me and you. Monkeys swing and birds flap high, everyone laughing as they fly by. Waddle through puddles, stomp your feet, woof with joy, ribbit to the beat. Dance with friends, spin in a line, animal sounds are so divine. Sun sets low, the day is done, animals resting, having fun. Waddle, woof, and ribbit say good night, see you.